Are you looking for the perfect sound to improve your infographics? Or to add a touch of professionalism to your vlog transitions? Or maybe do you need sounds that will immerse players in the video game you're creating? Hey, my name is Josh and welcome to gfxsounds.com, the premier destination for all your audio needs. Whether you're working on a film, a YouTube video, or any other type of creative project, our sound effects will help you add that extra touch of creativity that you've been looking for. Here at Gfx Sounds, we understand that creating great content requires more than just words and pictures. That's why we've dedicated ourselves to providing you with the best selection of sound effects and SFX packs available in the audio industry. With thousands of new sounds added daily and one simple license for every creator, you'll have the ability to find and use any sound effects you need whenever you need it. Our extensive and growing libraries are updated daily, ensuring that you will have access to the latest and greatest sound effects available in the market. But that's not all. Our team of experts and qualified contributors also offer a wide range of professional services, including sound design, audio restoring, audio production, mixing, and mastering. Whether you're a seasoned professional or you're just starting out, our team has the knowledge and experience to help you reach new heights with your projects. So why wait? Choose the perfect plan that fits your needs. Unleash your creativity and get instant access to our SFX packs and libraries with thousands of professional sound effects today.